Hi everyone, today we're looking at the Victorinox Swiss Army ALUX money clip model. There are two, one's black, one's red. And let me put into the standard SD model to show the difference. So here are the size comparison. Okay, let's look at the red one. Look at the red one for details. So this money clip model has a money clip in the back. It's a very good clip. I liked it. I used to carry it, but not anymore because I use wallet. Alright, so it has a larger blade compared to the standard one. Has larger scissors and a larger nail file. Wow, it's shiny. It's so beautiful. It's very thin, by the way, because it doesn't have the toothpick and the tweezers on the sides. The scale, this piece, they call it ALUX, probably is kind of aluminum, and this is red. And let's look closely for the black one. Black one is nice too. Wow. And let's open the standard one. I like this color, very nice, rather than the standard red color. So scissors, knife, and the nail file. So let's put it together here so you can see the difference. Actually, let's put it side by side. Yeah. This way better, huh? Alright, this way. See the size difference? It's actually very larger compared to the small one, but it's very thin. Let me show that to you. Okay, let's compare with those two. Alright, here you can see. The money clip is thinner, but with the clip, probably it's about the same thickness. But of course, you can put the money in the clip, or maybe one or two credit cards. So here's the review for this model money clip. If you like it, please subscribe. I will put the website link for these models below.